Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree and I go by Naturally Nicole here. Y'all, I have been in a funk for the last week or two, just kind of feeling like my wheels are just spinning and there's nothing going on in my life for real. Like, yes, I'm doing like YouTube and I'm trying to do the content creation and all that stuff or whatever, but I have really been down. And I felt partly it was because, you know, I haven't been working. If you watched I think it was everything I crocheted in January or February, one of those videos, I was telling you guys, I think it was February, yeah, that, you know, I had got laid off and your girl is it's about to be 6 months soon. January, February, March, April, May. Yes, it's about to be 6 months next month that I have not been employed. But I just got some good news. My sister, she takes this sewing class. Today she was wearing one of the hats that I made that she actually ended up buying for me. Shout out to sis, because you know we love a supportive sister. Anyways, she said that there was a lady there that asked her about the hat or whatever. So she just told me that she wants not one thing, but 3 things. She wants a do-rag and some sunflower earrings in black, and then she wants just a wavy hat in these 2 pink colors. All right, y'all, so I am going to start on the hat first. I think what I'm going to do is every 2 rows I'm going to switch the color out.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to
Okay, y'all, so we are in my club room and I couldn't record when I first came in because somebody was in here and I'm still trying to get used to like vlogging and stuff, but it's really nice in here. I'm honestly just listening to music. I'm pretty far on the hat so far. This light is really not doing it justice. I think I have like 7 just regular rows and then I'll start the brim part.
1 week later.
So I did not finish the order in time. So today is now Monday. I successfully finished the hat. Like, this is so cute. What? I said I'm gonna have to make me something similar, but not in these colors because I have a lot of pink stuff, I have a lot of black stuff, I have a lot of basic stuff. So I really want to tap into doing a whole bunch of different like colorful stuff, especially because it's almost summertime. I'm trying to step outside of my comfort zone, but I showed it to her. She loves it. And now I'm working on the do-rag. And I got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows done the other day. I'm going to finish her order today so I can hopefully get it out to her tomorrow. I really want to get better at like organization skills, but also just utilizing all of my time. Like I'm saying, like from the time I get up into the time I go to sleep, I want to utilize all my time. Like I'm so sick and tired of the procrastination or the lazy bone that be in me sometimes. Like, I don't know, like I just need to do better. And I've been doing better as far as like starting my day off, getting up and stuff. Instead of scrolling on my phone, I've been going to the gym in hopes that that would like set the tone for the rest of the day. But sometimes it don't. Like sometimes I just still just be like, you know, like, y'all, I need a job, okay? That's really what it is. I need a job. Somebody needs to hire me. When you have too much time on your hands and you either use it for good as far as benefiting your life and productivity, or you don't do anything. and I feel like I'm in the I don't really be doing much of anything, and I want to do more. So I don't know, maybe y'all can relate, maybe y'all can't.
Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible.
All right, y'all. So we have officially finished one panel, and it is currently 4:46. So I'm about to start on the other panel. Hopefully it doesn't. I don't think it's gonna take that long to work up, honestly. And then I'm gonna start on the sunflower earrings, and then we're gonna be done. My goal is to definitely finish this tonight, but I be taking breaks, and I be getting bored of crochet. I'm just being honest. Sometimes it gets very boring just doing the same method over and over. Then that'll be the end of this video, but yeah, we'll see. So y'all, I'm taking a brief pause on getting this order done because I was telling my sister earlier, since she was in the area, that we can go to Hobby Lobby and make those charm bracelets like that went viral or whatever. And so this is the reason why I can't finish projects too, because I be doing a lot. But also, remember that yarn I bought? Well, y'all, I don't know when y'all gonna get this video, but I bought some yarn for the pattern test and a dress order that I received, and it wasn't on sale. So I'm finna take it back to Hobby Lobby because apparently their yarn is on sale this week. I don't know if y'all done this before, or I don't know if I'm being extra by doing this, but I like the sales. So, and I haven't touched the yarn, so I'm about to take it back, and hopefully I'll be able to get it for cheaper. All right, so I just made it to Hobby Lobby, and I went ahead and returned that yarn like I was telling y'all, and it was no issue. So now I'm gonna go in the yarn section and get that yarn again. And then I found the charms. Hold on, Snake, where you go? Oh, let me show them the charm stuff. But this is for it, right? Yeah, it's like these butterfly charms. What is that? Oh, a little engagement ring. Who's engaged? Not me. But oh, the little mustard seed. Okay, there we go. Little mustard seeds. Crown. And then these are the bracelets. The little charm bracelets that we're going to be getting to do it. Okay, so now I'm in the little charm section, and they have a lot of different little charms, like letters, like crosses and stuff like that. The keys. Is that Africa? That's cute. All the little things. If you like coffee, that's for you. I'm gonna have to pick out which ones I want, and then of course I'm gonna show you guys the whole process of us making it. Oh, they even have like these little friendship, like, that's so cute. Hold on, that's so stinking cute. And this, the little eraser, like saying to make mistakes. So stinking cute. The little crochet charm too. Well, I guess we can kind of get our thoughts together. Yeah. Made it to Michael's now because we ended up not really wanting to get the stuff that was at Hobby Lobby. They didn't have like a lot of gold options. So now we're here, and this is what they have. Honestly, now that I'm looking at it, they don't really have a lot of gold here either. But definitely more than they had at Hobby Lobby. And then they also have the charms with the little clips on it. But they're like $2.49 each. That's why everybody was talking about they was expensive. So you guys, I finally made it back home. It is now almost 11 o'clock. And honestly, at this point, we can just say that this is going to be a week in my life vlog. Because like everything, I've been doing too much. Like I went to Michael's, as you guys saw, and I did get the charms and all that stuff. And so now I'm going to be doing that on top of, I'm gonna do my nails real quick as well. This video is literally all over the place, but that's literally how my brain works too. So I just thought, why not just put everything together? I am going to finish that order this week, and I did tell her that I'm going to get it to her this week, so I'm going to finish it this week. But yeah, it's going to be a week in my life craft edition. Okay, that's what we're going to call it. Show you guys what I got. So this is everything that I end up getting from Hobby Lobby and Michael's. I end up getting the Procrastinator one. This is so cute, like the little knit ball. I just could not resist. So I got this one, and then these three from Michael's. They had more of a gold selection, and then I got this that says Faith, and then also these two bracelets from Hobby Lobby, the little charm bracelets. This one is the one that will tarnish eventually, and then this one is actually supposed to be 10 karat gold plated, so hopefully it lasts. It kind of feels very cheap, so I don't know. And then I did take back that yarn like I told you guys, and I ended up rebuying it, and I ended up switching out the green and white for brown and cream. So that's all that I picked up.
Until you tell me you're right here, I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder.
And this is the after. Look how cute these are. It's 3 in the morning though, but I finished them. Of course, the left hand not gonna always look as good, but I did the best I could. Girl, what? It's giving earth tones.
If you leave for me, God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
Like, this is absolutely adorable. I've honestly always wanted a charm bracelet, but specifically the Pandora charm bracelet. But honestly, those are so expensive. This was such a fun project. If you guys have been wanting to make this, then go ahead. I wouldn't say it's necessarily affordable, but it's way more affordable than a Pandora bracelet. Like, so let's go ahead and get into the crochet stuff. Also did the do-rag, like I created both panels for it. All I need to do is sew them together, which I'm going to be showing you guys that. While I was getting my toes done today, I ended up creating the sunflower earrings. And again, all I have to do is just put on the little things so they can dangle and hang. Alright, you guys, I have sewn together the do-rag, and now I'm just weaving in all the ends. It's really not that much just left to do, but she's just a basic black do-rag, which is what they wanted, so the customers always get what they want, sweetie. Okay, girlies, we finished the do-rag. Here she is in all her glory. Do-rag is done. Hat is done. So cute. And then now I'm just about to put on the little things for the earrings, and I'm gonna show you guys that. And then that's gonna be the end of this video. So yeah. All right, you guys, that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.